When time takes charge. Using when in defining relative clauses. Hello learners, welcome back to another video in our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on an essential aspect of intermediate grammar, defining relative clauses, particularly using the word when to describe times. Let's explore some real-life examples and applications, shall we? Before we dive into examples, let's briefly recap what defining relative clauses are. These are clauses that provide essential information about the noun they modify. They are introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, and of course, when. When is used specifically for times. For example, consider the sentence, I will never forget the day when I first met you. Here, when I first met you, is a defining relative clause that describes the day. Now, let's discuss how to use when in daily conversations. 1. Recalling a specific time. Do you remember the time when we used to play in the park after school? 2. Describing a historical period. The Victorian era was a period when literature flourished. 3. Highlighting a significant event. The moment when I won the lottery was surreal. Remember, when is ideal for pinpointing moments, times, periods, or events in your sentences. When is also very useful in formal writing. It helps provide precise time-related details, making your writing clear and informative. 1. In a research paper, 1986 was the year when the Chernobyl disaster occurred, leading to significant changes in nuclear power policies. 2. In a business report, the quarter when our sales exceeded expectations was Q4. 3. In historical texts, the Renaissance was a time when art and culture underwent major changes. Now, it's time for you to practice using when in defining relative clauses. Here are some exercises. 1. Fill in the blanks. Blank was the decade. Blank disco music was popular. 2. Rewrite the sentence using when. I recall the summer. We went on a road trip that summer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate when in your daily English usage. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at using when in defining relative clauses. Remember, when is your key to describe times, events, or periods, be it in daily conversation or formal writing. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons to polish your English language skills.